Yeah, see there? Yeah, man, see there? You call them prickly pear, my peeps. Prickly pear. You have to be careful or you eat them. See it? These are some nice prickly pear. Wow. See one. Mark. Two. Two get it. Two get it. Got him. Come here. 3 thus far. 3 thus far. 3 thus far. Come here, man. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Hey, why are you running? Why are you running? Hey, sit there. 2. So we got 3. Sit there. Action time again. Oh, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Yeah. Wild hog. To the rear. Get up later and get some.
Nice, you know.
You don't know rice. The only thing you want to be next to Christ.
Yeah.
That's I think.
Just want to eat, you know.
Find a place, remember the rear, you know. Wild boar, wild pork. See that? Look how juicy that is. Fully. Remember I say a turkey that we feed. Fully prepared feed. How it's active.
Anytime.
All fans them.
Yeah, big up. Like a whole world, you know.
That I say. Good morning, my beautiful peeps. Yeah, man, this morning is a morning of adrenaline and excitement. You know, so that is the opening season. Yes, my peeps. So we showed in ball plate and all these game bird. Yeah, man. Guys, we can't really talk now, but just stay tuned to further on in the video. I want to see the action because it's an action pack this morning, my peeps. As you can hear in the background. Yeah, looking at the sky, as you guys can see. And peeps, 2 we gone already. Yeah, man. As we said, this is open morning. You understand, guys? I'm so excited to be here. Yes, man. Yes, man. Very excited. So, Uncle sir, what else, sir? But clean. There's a crocodile in there. Uncle sir, and fish pan with peeps. I'm for the scene submerged stuff. I want to cook that. Yeah, my peeps, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. Yeah, man. So, as we say, this is the 2024 bird shooting season. You see it? Yeah, man. Look at birds, my beautiful peeps. Look at birds. Could they? Hey, you can call millions of birds, man. And my peeps, as we said, this is hunting season. Guys, do not say it's cruelty because you don't know, so we have to keep the population. You understand? It's a sports we have in Jamaica here. And I'm very elated to be a part of it this year. You understand? So guys, we're not going to see what for action in the day, yeah, my peeps. Yes. And in here. Yeah? A different place, man. I saw this one. No, man, I saw him, man. I didn't saw him there, man. Him can't pick up. That not dead. As you see, the peeps, the adrenaline is real. Yeah, man. Getting some bird. And for them to fly high though. Koya. Then turn. Yes, man. So as I say, it's an early morning shoot, my peeps. It's your first shoot of the open season. You understand? Bird have sense, you know. Turn back. Turn back. So on. Mark. Two. Two get it, you know. Two get it. So as I say, guys, it's all about action. I want the high. It's all about action, my peeps. Yeah, man. So my peeps, you know, see what I'm going. Guys, not excited. Very excited. Yeah, man, see. This one here. Yeah, man, this is the ball plate. Yeah, man. Ball plate. Gonna. Yes, man, he got it. Got him! Got him! Dead bird. Talking about something, thieves. Yeah, man, this is what bird bush is about. Yeah, you got to find your birds. You understand? You can't injure the bird, thieves, and leave them. No. Right, I'm not even know more coming in, honestly to God. But you know, as a hunter, we can find our way out. Yeah, I'll find out help me. Help me, man. Yeah, my peeps. Look at these. What are they? Look, the one in there. Yeah, see there? Yeah, man, see there? You call them prickly pear, my peeps. Prickly pear. You have to be careful or you eat them. See it? These are some nice prickly pear. Wow, they are so beautiful. Gone again.
Yeah, you eat them too.
You bite them, huh?
Yeah.
Bite them, huh?
Yeah, man, they're nice.
Oh, you don't say you fight them yet. See them peeps? Prickly pear. Full of seed, but they're nice, my peeps. That's right. First time eating it, oh. Full of seed, but they're nice. Can't hand it for hungry night dessert. One more again. Got him. Peeps, I have to watch out my run pan salt mash, you know. Yeah. See my peeps. See that peeps, see that. Right in that prickly pear. Yeah. Yes, man, you got. We got him. Got him. Too high.
No, not it.
In there too far.
No.
Gone. Two mark. Two. Oh, look. Yeah. Oh. Follow. Huh? Gone, no, right now.
I'm not dead in your house. We get him now, yeah.
No, no, get some over here. See feather in there. And just some here, sir. Yeah, the people to find him. See that? They want to find him. They want to find him. No more bird drop. See him? You got far though. Find a bird and peeps. Just to get shot. And that's what I done. Yeah, my peeps, the bird bush are not easy. My peeps. They're fully active. Normal out. Yeah, man, fully normal out, you know? So how it will say? Hotted. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my friend.
Get the bag already.
Sean, big up yourself. Xavier. Zion. Kai. Messiah. Bless up yourself. And you don't know son daddy love on here. Yeah man, bless up on yourself. You see it? Boom family is our friend. Yeah man, big up one Kirky, you know. You understand? Whole of Bushy Park, massive. You understand? Yeah man, my peeps, when you don't know sign bush, we can't really talk that loud. Well, we can talk loud, because let's bury them here. But then kind of cool down now, you know? Yeah man. Water break, my peeps.
It's like I don't have to go to get walk up, you know?
Alright, my boss. Yeah, Kirky, head out here. Don't know, fully active like the bush. Head out your money so far, sir.
Good. Hot. Only per bite, but good. You get used to the mosquito there now?
Yeah, kinda. Not fully, but kinda. Kinda. You see when adrenaline now, you get. See there, see there. Yeah man, fall him up.
You jump in. Wait.
Find him. Fully swam. Yeah. Nah, my lord. Yeah, my peeps. 15.
Yeah?
15.
Oh, 15, good.
Yeah, 15. Yeah, my peeps. Yeah, man, we have finally come to close out, you know? Yeah. So, yes, my peeps, this is the first shoot. You know, so Chevy, them is the picker. Yeah, man, so them pick off one clean already. Yeah, man. So, these are all white crown pigeons, my peeps. Yeah, man, white crown. So, in our shoot, I think you get 15 of these and 20 white wing or paloma. But you can't go over your limit with these.
In a one round?
No, one shoot, you're allowed to shoot 15. 15 barbie. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but,
Shoot for the day.
yeah, but so you have to work with the rules and guidelines. So yes, my peeps, as you can see guys, we're rolling out again, but you know, cook now. Remember say second shooting coming up, my peeps. Kirky and they are so out active.
Yeah,
Nothing normal man, busy like this.
Look on the back guys.
Yeah, man.
Yes
We're
man.
going good to them, man. We're going
They should be murder.
But we are here, yeah, man, and summer pick. This can come off, right?
Yeah.
Take off this.
I stand to get some we'll put this now.
This-
Put this as 10-man vehicle and the van them in a
Yeah,
German.
man. Okay.
Yeah, anything.
Huh? What in there?
We have a rum them and a liquor.
Una did
Yeah, man,
well this
everything.
morning though.
Yeah,
Una did well this morning.
Yeah,
Yes,
man,
one did great, man.
yeah, man.
Exceptional.
Yeah, go see it, man.
See there. See there.
Tune for the evening, what? Sure. So guys, we're out and about. The stay tuned. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Touch that subscribe button, please. Ping. That is it. Yo, shot now. A vest like that. Merino. Yes, that's a Merino. What's that? Inside patch somewhere. Not bullshit.
Everybody in a camouflage, I mean a regular clothes. See them?
I'm not saying anything.
Bird style. Where are you so far?
It's blow. It's got
I breathe blow, I'm moving. No, I know you. I don't know material. Season 1 train or something, come on. Then cut her back. No. Cut her back and make the trees.
Yeah, my peeps. See the pork here go and boil down. Hey, it's pretty already. Father Sean himself. Where have you? A spoon or a fork? Spoon. Alright, my boss. You see it? Yes, man. Mango spoon, my peeps. See it? We in the bush. And one person sitting on the birds. The bird, people. Rice. You're already. Birds here. Brown stew bird. I want this one.
Same thing, can cook them now.
Okay. You fry it up already?
Yeah, man. A brown soup, my brown soup them now.
Alright.
The boy, they can.
Yeah, man. That's a code. See it? You fast out it.
Never show any part.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Like you're nice. Yeah, man. So my peeps, remember, you know, the wild hog. Yes, man. Could have peeps. Oh God, man. Could have. Remember, say a wild hog that you know catch with this purpose, you know. This occasion
Yeah,
catch
man.
is up by them peeps. Yeah, man. Bird bush. Yeah, man.
today.
I remember say bird there. I said yeah. Bird in a pot. That's the first I deal with it. Rice over there. So said yeah, man.
I put that coffee stick.
And the toughest part in the world, man. A part of camera. Yeah, man. What's a diplomat?
Touch here.
Bodyguard, not the normal, man. Not the normal, man. Fully active, man. So, what do you, mister? How's the day so far?
Not so bad.
Not so bad?
Yeah.
But the one thing going good this morning?
Very good.
Bird did I can eat. That I start.
Show a pot, no?
That is start. Oh, you, I feel for that. We love that. We love that. We love that. Yes, big up yourself.
What about it?
Pressy, what may I mean?
Huh?
What may I mean? What may I mean?
Me? The what?
You see I'm funny back to the song. I go to the back of the song.
Just follow the road the way they can go straight down to the down. You see now? Just follow the road the way they can go straight down. Come here. Man, get out the body.
Sorry. Yo, oh yeah, God. We really have a difficult
One diplomat.
One diplomat. Fully. Remember I say I turkey that the tape. Fully prepared for it. Oh, it's active.
Anytime.
All fans them.
Yeah, big up. Like a whole world, you know?
That I start.
Go on already.
I'll go for this one.
Yeah. I think over this.
Active, you know? Bird and rice. Yeah. Pork already at my peeps. I'm done with the flex. You know what I'm going to buy, sir? What are you going to buy, yeah, going good. All right, sir. Sean, you swap one over there. Swap one. Fully active over there. Not normal. Come on, steady. I cut up the pork, yeah.
What about the bird?
No, we eat the bird already. Bird is the bird. See it?
Right.
Pork, right. Right. Yeah, bird I mean hunting, but this one from
Wild hog, you know.
head and knife, they fly tree type butter.
Yeah, man.
For the man? Jesus Christ. Yeah, man, this is the pork, my peeps. Oh, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Yeah. Wild hog. To the rear, get a plate and get some.
Nice, you know, and
You don't know rice. The only thing you want to be next to Christ.
Yeah.
That I think.
Just want to eat, you know.
Alright. Where? I'm from Boss. Yeah, man, I'm going to bless up for a man, bro. I don't know if vibes, you know. I want to link Oh, I'm no fear pork is here. Big up yourself for that. You see it, right? That's that. Buying up place, remember the word, you know. Wild boar, wild pork. See that? Look how juicy that is. Hey. Nah, man. Stay tuned. See that? Pork and bread. Stay tuned. I don't see nothing. We're too close to the bush like that. So we guys shall come back here, sir. Oh. See, man, mark. Up. In Jap over, sir. We over, sir. We over, sir. In Jap. Whoa. Yeah, man. Yeah, hold on. Two of them jump there. Hold on. Got him. Don't be. 3 thus far. 3 thus far. 3 thus far. Come here, man. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Hey, why are you running? Why are you running? Hey, sit there. 2. So we got 3. See there, action time again. Yeah. Now watch him. Yeah, 1 more. That's 4. That is 4. My beautiful peeps. Yeah, man, this is 4, man. I'm here to blow on peeps. Look more, split up. I'm sliding. Come here, man. Yes, man. I'll my knife split up. First white wing. Our first white wing. Edna! 3.
White thing.
No. Like trouble.
They must tell you, they must see you, man.
Let's see what they want to turn. Look at beef, look at ball plate. Mark over there, sir!
Come here. Man, the boy dear man,
So on the back. Not there. Mark. Mark. Front of you, man. Back of you, man. Them the high.
Oh boy, 2 of them. Alright, that dead, watch it.
That dead, man.
That dead. Come on. Oi.
Mark, turn. We notice they don't take that passage. Yeah, man. See it there. Right in height. Yeah. All you get shot. Come. To you. In turn. Get it, man. Two eye for your
Wanna
poach.
shoot.
Come on, take it down.
I want you poach. Give her my shit for your brother.
Wanna take them down?
Yeah, more than shoot.
Wanna take them down?
They might drop.
Wanna take them down like? Yeah.
I poach your kid. Poach it.
Yeah, man. Two again, poach it. Two again. You know it.
Take it. Black enough. Oh shit.
Oh. Nice bungle already. All white wing now? White wing? White wing? Yes. No. Hold up. Right there. Out and bad. We'll be killing them. One out of that. Hey. Fall up. Got him! He said not there. Now come. Skyscraper. You can, somebody take it now. Gone like. Yeah. I want a wicked one. Yeah, my peeps, I've been telling you, guys, this is wild, fully wild. Yeah, man, see the bird like crazy. Everybody fully come down. You see it? Yeah, man. Yo, look like a garden never planted already. a garden hat. All right, I don't want to show them peeps. You see it? Yeah, man. Fully active. Yeah, man. 2024 bird season opening day. Got him. Right, bro. Got him. Right, what are be a macan peeps? Got him. Right at them foot. Follow. Yeah, man. And mash up. Wow! Yo, you are the great. What the great? Hey! Every feed no any am jump out of body. See me. Yo, you sang got to that tree there? My peeps, hear me and Kirky out here. So it's easy to shoot, boss.
Well, wonderful, nice, excellent.
Wait, so you load up already?
Excellent.
Load it?
Yeah,
limit out.
Guns are out, you know. Well, get me back, see what I go on there. Got long time, you know.
See them peeps?
Yeah.
As I say, you're supposed to shoot 15.
Yeah.
So we do it in a pair of 3.
Yeah.
In a group of 3.
Yeah.
3 group of 5, yeah.
Yeah.
And if you say, yeah, man.
Yeah, 15 bar.
15 bar.
If a white wing and Paloma, and thing is like 20, you know, but we have to go by the discipline and the order, you know what I mean?
Okay.
You have your permit and stuff and you do your thing, and you come here, don't go by the 20. You gotta get charged, you know what I mean? You hear that, people? God's
Big
out,
up on
you know?
yourself.
One love, and I hope you enjoy this video and I'll go and try your best and do the best, you know? Yeah, man, one love.
All right.